So, welcome to this video showcasing the tutorial for beginners for what to do and how to start coding. And I would suggest that you are currently watching Attachment Studios, and it's me, Attachment Aditya. And to start with something called Scratch website, Imagine Scratch, whatever. So you can create on this site. This allows you to block coding, some kind of block coding or something. Yeah, so you can see that it's showing the blocks. You need to connect blocks like a puzzle, and then it will actually work. So it's made from scratch only, so that it's easy for one to learn. So for some reason it shows syntax error now. I will fix that later because it's actually sensing that something is happening, and also see a video as well. Now we will be doing something like start with this step code or wiki. You can actually see in this video that how to get this page. Just type in this links in descriptions, the wiki and main page. So we will be following the log module, sys.clear, and I guess speed module. Just this much for now. No variables, so that will be a little bit higher concept. So I guess that's a different video from a little bit who got that yes, you can do this and that um in this coder. So we will start with log.print. By now you should know that this is something that follows single line code line executor, and it has a simultaneous executor, but I will be using this line executor only that works like Python. For one line, it works for one line only. You can see in which line it's working. That's for it's obvious that for one line executor it's of no use, but it will be useful on uh, for the for the SE, I guess. So let's do like log.print hello world, the most common thing in the universe. So hello world. You can see the examples. You can print this stuff. So that's the log.print. We have got one. Uh, Wait. No ending brackets or double quotes because they will be actually included in the log only, so it is little bit buggy. Let's write hello world again to overlap the function. Okay, it's working. It has stopped. See, twice. So it's because we had this activated, I guess. Let's reactivate it and go for the next command, log.clear. Hopefully this command should actually just okay, it's not loading in. What's happened to this? Okay, this will clear, but leave one because I have missed code, and that will be fixed in a minor update for now. Next is the sys.clear. That's actually the log module. Log module involves everything related to this little thing, this little table, I guess. So you cannot do something like that's interesting, but never mind. So you cannot do anything with this one. You need to, whatever you write in log will result something in this little table. So that's also, we can actually see that over here, log module. Logs are notes, warnings, errors, printed text and messages that are stored somewhere, and that somewhere is this table. I don't know why. These are basically data only. So these will store data that will not be used. So actually they will be used on when I will add more commands on something, or not now. We'll be adding more because it's just step coder v0.8. Then we have a command sys.clear, that is system.clear. So system is actually walking the whole system. The whole system is responsible. Now sys.clear goes for mainly this only, and we have more over here. You can actually check the descriptions. So for system, we have sys.clear clears command list. So this is the command list, that is command history, the same thing. And this was added in this version, and no parentheses should be used. The last parenthesis means brackets. Let's press enter, and this works perfectly because I missed actually I misclicked the block here. Well, I will be fixing that in minors. I have said it. So let's go to the next speak module, but we can actually see more modules before that. But let's go to speak only. So for the speak module, we will say speak dot text, and in that text we will write something like hello world. So now I have written a code. So it's a fact that you cannot mistype anything or else it will give a syntax error. So let's try that. So it should actually speak the text hello world. It will not speak any special things like brackets, parenthesis, percent. I guess percent, I am not sure. Why is it saying hello world? Is it error?
Hello world.
Okay, that's a technical error, but that works. I have mismatched the code while remaking this. So in version 0.6, I have actually added a major bug that no command works, and in the same version, I've also added the SC commands, that is simultaneous operators. So um, this was actually it's version 0.7. Actually, I've remade in the whole version, and then we have also selected the version 0.8. So let's go to the top again. It speaks. Now the next thing is speak dot version,
Step
and
coder v0.8 A star script 1.
so it will say the version of the step coder, and it will say the version of it's the script it's using, that's a star script. This is a free script, you can use this script, but for now you don't have any engines that produce anything from that other than this one that gives some output. But that's okay. So now you need to write some other codes, I guess, like speak.test. So speak dot test, and I guess that's the last code. That's actually uh, am I not pressing enter properly? Okay, that's it. It will show syntax error, but it should speak sometime. Okay, that's a syntax error because it's test, not text. So speak dot test
Testing.
successful. So it will always show successful if it works or not. Version works as well. So the text commands are being a little bit showing error because they are showing multiple scripts, and apparently that's the case that It's not waiting. It's not waiting in time. So I guess that's it for now, this video. And we have more modules here. You can check them all. We will be doing the math module and um system module next time, I guess time module, but we will check that next time. For now, you were viewing Attachment Studios and its attachment Aditya. Thanks. Thanks again. Thanks very now. Uh, by the way, if you just reload this, everything goes blank again for some reason. Loading, loading, and that's it. Completed. Watch this video someday. Thanks again. Don't know why you are watching till now, but still, thanks. Bye.